Hello guys, welcome to the channel Vimo. So today we are going to discuss about how to make money online by watching just few videos. In this video I am going to talk about two websites, and first website creates less income, but the second website will gain you $1 or $2 per video, or maybe if it's video longer than 10 minutes, then it will generate $10 per one video. It's so easy. You can just play the video and do something else, or you can watch the video 10 minutes. It's up to you, but at the end of the at the end of the day, you will gain money. So let's get to without further ado, let's go to the video. Okay, so type here rewardable.com and it will go to the website like this. Here, rewardable.com, the site that pays you cash. Join the app free. The most ways to earn online is one thing is watch videos, complete surveys, and daily sweepstakes, answer trivia, visit retail, and it has been given 5,143,090, and it's completely changed rapid pace, changing the money that they've been earned, and it's almost 5 million by earned by this website people have been. So here you can just log in, or if you have an account you can just log in, or you can just go to the app and register, and it will generate a super revenue. I mean, some people may be earn like 20 to 30 dollars per week. They will be, some people are earning. So this might be a very good way to earn your income. And here, complete simple task, cash out rewards, and it, the most important thing is you will receive your cash via PayPal and receive bigger rewards and bonus as your profit grows. And the media reviews. Yes, it has been reviewed by ABC. NBC is one of the biggest media companies in world, and they've been reviewed as the good website. And app store reviews are good. And she said that I was skeptical a free app would actually make me money, but after 2 weeks I won $23. So she earned 27 dollars by working in this website. Why can't you? You can also make money by registering and watch videos from this website. That's easy as that. So I hope you enjoy, or I will hope that you can earn money from this website very much easily. So let's go to the second website. It's Coinbase. Let's type coinbase.com here. It's coinbase.com is all about cryptocurrencies. It's crypto trading is a really trending topic. You need to identify the cryptos, and you need to predict whether the crypto prices will be going up or going down, then you can earn profit from it. But in this video I'm not going to talk about the crypto trading, but if you are like to learn crypto trading, then please make a comment or like, or you can easily contact me privately. So in future I will go to the cryptocurrency tutorials also. Here, in this video I'm not going to talk about cryptocurrency trading or crypto holding. Bitcoin holding will generate revenue, so it's a completely separate area that I'm going to talk about in this YouTube channel. All you need to do is just you can sign in the Coinbase, and you can see earn crypto pesos XDZ DAL. Here we go to that, and here say all you need to do is view the video, which means which in this video it contains like what's this crypto, and how it begin. Likewise, you can how you can convert it to the US dollars. Likewise, these videos contain, like I told you, need to do is just view it and just view it. Yes, here what is DAI? What is DAI? It gives a basic explanation of the crypto. All you need to do is just watch the video and gain your crypto dollars. That's simple as that. I hope you enjoy the video. If you are learn something new, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.